Hello, everyone, and welcome. Are you ready for a super colorful story? I know I am. Today, we're going to jump right into the magical world of Anandi's rainbow.
So picture this. It was a rainy day. You know, pitter-patter, pitter-patter go the raindrops. But inside, our friend Anandi was all snuggled up and fast asleep, dreaming of something so bright and so beautiful. Any guesses? Yep, that's it. Rainbows.
All right, let's tiptoe into the first part of our story, which is all about Anandi's dream. I wonder what she's seeing in her sleep. Let's find out what happens when she wakes up.
Okay, so she started to wake up, she gave a big stretch, and then she looked out her window, and what do you think she saw? It was a rando surprise. Oh, you are not going to believe what was waiting for her right outside. Wow, look at that! A gigantic, super bright rainbow was stretching like a colorful smile all the way across the clear blue sky. Can you even imagine seeing that? Just amazing.
Well, Anandi was so excited she just had to get outside. So she ran out to her garden, and of course Millie, her favorite cat, was right there with her. Okay, everybody up? Can you run in place with Anandi and Millie? Let's go! Quick, quick, quick! Faster! And freeze! Awesome job!
And now, oh, this is my favorite part. Let's all get our imaginary paintbrushes ready because we're going to do some painting with colors. We're going to help Anandi make her garden look extra beautiful.
You see, Anandi just loves to draw and paint. It's her favorite thing. So after seeing that incredible rainbow, she got the most brilliant idea. She wanted to paint all the flowers in her garden with the colors she saw in the sky. Are you ready to help her out?
Okay, our first color is violet. Let's get our violet paint ready. Everybody, can you tap your head? Tap, tap, tap. Perfect. Next up is indigo. That's a really cool deep blue color. For this one, let's wiggle our fingers like they're little paintbrushes. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Fantastic wiggling, everyone. And now for blue, just like that big, beautiful sky. Are you ready? Let's touch our toes. Way down. Can you reach them? And pop back up. Woo! What color are the leaves on the flowers? That's right. She painted all the leaves green. For green, let's reach up to the sky like a big tall plant. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Here comes a super happy and warm color. It's orange. For this one, can you give yourself a big happy hug? Squeeze! Aw, great job. And the last color for our flowers is red. Let's get loud for this one. Clap your hands as fast as you can. Go, 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 and stop. Whew, that was awesome. But hang on a second. You might be thinking, what about yellow? We didn't use yellow. Well, Anandi saved the yellow paint for something super special. She left the flowers yellow-free so that the sun and the sky could look extra bright and extra happy. And then, just like magic, poof! And lo, there were beautiful flowers all over the garden. It worked! All our imaginary painting made the garden burst with violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, and red flowers. What a beautiful, colorful sight! Anandi had such a great color adventure, didn't she? But you know what? The fun is not over yet, because now it's your turn to be the explorer. Okay, first question for you, my color explorer friend. Have you ever seen a real rainbow? I bet it was so pretty. Try to remember where you were and what all the colors looked like.
Here's another really fun game you can play anytime. Just look up at the clouds. What shapes do you see? You know, sometimes I see a fluffy bunny, or a race car, or even a giant ice cream cone. Your imagination can find anything up there.
Okay, color explorers, are you ready for your special mission? Step 1. Go outside and look way up at that big, beautiful sky. Step 2. If you can, try to watch the sky when the sun is coming up or going down. The colors are just incredible. And step 3, this is the most important part. Tell a grown-up what you see. Share all the amazing colors you find. Always remember that the world is just full of amazing colors and wonderful things, and they're all waiting for you to discover them. Now it's time for you to go on your own color adventure. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye for now.